This is a fantastic event. It's great seeing old friends from Dubai, but it's also seeing people from all around the region coming here to learn about vaccines, which is such a crucial topic, more now than ever before. And it's more than just about COVID. It's about RSV, it's about the flu, it's about all sorts of diseases that can now really be treated very aggressively with vaccines. And the fact that the region is really coming together to recognize the urgency of vaccines, vaccine development, vaccine manufacturing, vaccine regulation, paying for vaccines, and the UAE, as always, is really leading the way in very progressive approaches to vaccine technology and public health. The public health scene in the region, and especially in the UAE and especially in Dubai, has really rebounded spectacularly since COVID. It hasn't gone backwards. In fact, it's gone full steam ahead in very progressive ways, from manufacturing to public health initiatives to education in schools. And for me, it's really great to hear these presentations about what the government and what private companies are doing to make those things happen. Today, our talk was about biosecurity and what role the United States is playing in making it not only a domestic U.S. policy issue, but also representing the country to the rest of the world, because we're really all in this together. And for me, I think the big message is we've got to be partners. And we have to be partners, the U.S. that is, with countries that we trust and respect, such as the UAE.